I made some Doro.
I made some Ethiopian chicken stew. This shit is fire, okay? It doesn't look like the original thing because I don't know how to boil an egg and it like broke in the stew. This took like 4 hours to make. And I know I'm not eating it with injera, but that's because I'm on a low carb lifestyle. For an hour on low heat and some clarified butter, Ethiopian clarified butter, similar to ghee, but it's different. Let onions simmer in that clarified butter for an hour. Then you gotta add minced garlic and ginger and add some more butter. Let that simmer for 20 minutes. This whole time it's on low heat. Then you have to add the Burberry spice and some salt. Let that simmer for like 30 minutes. And you keep adding butter. And this shit's really good. You add chicken. I cut the chicken up into like half-inch pieces. You add it in there. You bring it to a boil first. Then you let it simmer for 45 minutes after bringing it to a boil. After that, you add some honey and some vinegar and more salt and the Burberry spice to taste. Add a few hard-boiled eggs and let it simmer for 20 minutes. When you're done, you got something like this. And it's very good. Highly recommend.